Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. My name is Katis. For today, I'm making the Filipino favorite food like Bikol Express. Ito yung mga ingredients ng Bikol Express. Meron tayong we have green pepper. I already diced, and I have shredded garlic, and I have also ginger. I cut into pieces, small pieces, and I have also the onion. Ito yung onion, a little size. I cut into a small piece. So I have here sili. 2 pieces sili, because you know why I only use 2 pieces sili? Because my husband don't like to eat a very original Bicol Express. So ganun. So we put our oil for now. So ito yung pork. Kinat ko lang siya ng square size. Small size lang siya. Ayan. Wala kasing taba rito sa US, kaya puro siya laman. Diba? Let's start now. Tingnan na natin yung niluto natin dito. Kung naluluto pa ba siya. Hi guys! So yan yun. So now we put our coconut oil, coconut milk pala, or gata. Ayan. Very, very, very delicious. Delicioso. Tapusin natin. Then, mix it. And the next is we put our ingredients like garlic, ginger, and red chili pepper. Ooh. So nalalagay na natin yung garlic, onion, and ginger, and sili or red pepper. So, haluin na natin. Mix it. Bango. Smells so good. Mapapakain na naman ng madami nito si Barry. Mapapakain ko na naman siya ng madaming rice. Actually, kumakain talaga siya ng Filipino food. Lahat ng niluluto ko sa kanya is Filipino food. Yung taste, Filipino food. Pero nagluluto talaga ako ng isa ng American food. No, hindi lang, pero nagluluto ako. Diba? Kailangan natin i-treat yung asawa natin kasi nag-work sila whole day. So, paglulutuan natin sila ng food to make them happy tummy. So, we put our ground pepper or paminta, black pepper, Lagyan na natin siya. Madami. And then, maglalagay tayo ng konting salt. Then, mix it. Ngayon, pakukuluin natin siya. Then, lulutuin natin yung karne. And then, palalambutin. Hanggang sa matuyo na siya at magiging oily na yung sabaw niya. Maluto na yung bango. Naaamoy ko ng bawang. Ginger. Wow. So now I put the green pepper already here. We mix it. So ramdam ko na yung anghang ng aking niluluto. Ramdam ko na sa aking dila. Yan na siya. Malapit na siya. Ayan na. Ito na siya, guys. Ayan. Ready na siya. So yun. Yun, ready na siya kainin. So yun, thank you guys for watching. See you next time again for my other vlog. Thank you and have a wonderful and always be safe. Keep always wearing mask sa Pilipinas. We love you.